Textbooks turning learning into a bore for your child? Are those complex formulas feeling like an alien language? It's time to change the game. We've got a different approach, one that brings maths and STEM to life, making it hands-on and captivating. Through play and experimentation, we help kids learn and retain information faster and more effectively. Why limit learning to textbook questions when it could be kicking a footy or playing an instrument with our integrated cards? With 42 weeks of rich curriculum-based activities, we merge STEM with what kids find relevant and interesting. From motorsports to psychology, music to physics, it's all about personalised, engaging and practical learning. Let's revolutionise the way we teach STEM. Say goodbye to anxiety, frustration and textbook struggles. Join us on this exciting learning journey today.